As happened earlier, Mr. Williams showed you how to use a dryer, but if you're in a situation where you can hang out the washing and utilising the environment to dry your gear, that's obviously the preferred option. So with that, I'm going to introduce you to Mr. Minto, our guru house husband, who can take you through how to hang up some washing.
Thanks Mr. Callboy. So yeah, as he said, bring your washing outside. Just make sure you help mum and dad as much as you can while you're at home. Grab your washing one at a time, couple of pegs. Let's make sure we spread them out. Now a nice little trick that I was taught by my wife Bindi, grab another piece here and you can actually save the amount of pegs that you use. You start your next peg, link them up and keep going like that. So thanks Mr. Callboy. So as I get that one there, get my next garment, another peg off Mr. Callboy if you get a helper, 1.5 metres. You get it going, and obviously you get your line going until you get right across the other end, and then you start on the next one.
Well, I'll get you to put the towel on, sir.
The towel, yeah. So I'll just pull him around this way. Sorry, sir.
You're right.
Couple of pegs, I might grab that off you as well.
Yeah.
Start with these. So obviously starting as close to the side as we can. Peg him up, and then obviously you can do the same thing. You can grab another one, link it, and keep working your way across that way.
And the reason why I asked Mr. Minto to do the towel, for those who have puppies and pets, and that towel is too promising to get his teeth into, we have the ability to rise, and some of these
get him up higher.
Yeah, absolutely. Lions do have the opportunity to raise out of Jaws ways.
If you've got a Kelpie, obviously keep it locked up. It's going to jump this time.
Thanks.